Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best commercial blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the H-Duca blender for smoothies with an impressive 1800-watt motor. This blender offers standout versatility with a 70-ounce pitcher for blending large batches of smoothies, soups, and sauces, as well as a separate 20-ounce grinding cup for coffee beans, nuts, and spices. It's a true multitasking machine that's ideal for families or those who want one appliance to handle both wet and dry blending needs. The 3D 6-leaf stainless steel blades are built to last, offering consistent results with every use. Plus, the sleek red design adds a bold pop of color to your kitchen counter. Performance-wise, the H-Duca handles tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice with ease, thanks to its robust motor and 28,000 RPM speed. The customizable blending options, including a 5-minute timer and pulse mode, allow you to achieve precise textures. From chunky salsas to soaky purees, cleanup is also a breeze with its self-cleaning feature for the pitcher and dishwasher-safe components. However, the grinding cup isn't suitable for self-cleaning or dishwasher use, which could be inconvenient for some users. While this blender offers solid performance, it does have a few drawbacks. The motor, though powerful, isn't as quiet as some competitors. Additionally, the lack of a listed price and relatively fewer customer reviews compared to higher-ranked options may make it less appealing for those seeking a proven product. Still, if you value versatility and a vibrant design, the H-Duca could be a great fit for your kitchen. Coming in at number 4 is the WantJoin Professional Commercial Blender. With a hefty 2200-watt motor and a unique soundproof enclosure, this blender is designed with both power and noise reduction in mind. The 80-ounce capacity makes it perfect for large families or entertaining guests, while the self-cleaning function saves time during cleanup. The dual-direction blade technology ensures smooth and consistent blending, whether you're making smoothies, nut butters, or soups. One of the standout features of the WantJoin is its quiet operation. The soundproof shield significantly reduces noise, making it ideal for environments where minimal disruption is important, such as cafes or shared living spaces. Its design is sleek and modern, and the feeding hole in the top lid allows you to add ingredients mid-blend, a thoughtful touch that enhances convenience. The 15-speed control and pulse function give you precise control over your blending, allowing you to achieve everything from chunky textures to ultra-smooth finishes. While the WantJoin impresses with its power and versatility, it does come with a few caveats. At nearly 22 inches tall, it might not fit easily under all kitchen cabinets. Additionally, its higher price point, when available, and niche design may make it more suitable for commercial use than for everyday home kitchens. However, if you're looking for a quiet, powerhouse blender with a professional feel, the WantJoin is a solid choice. Taking the third spot on our list is the Clean Blend Commercial Blender. This model is renowned for its powerful 1800-watt motor and 3-horsepower performance, making it capable of tackling anything from frozen drinks to hot soups. The 64-ounce BPA-free pitcher is built to handle large batches, making it a great choice for meal prep or entertaining. Its versatile design allows it to replace up to 9 kitchen appliances, including a food processor, grinder, and juicer. The Clean Blend stands out for its durability and reliability, with stainless steel blades that can handle even the toughest ingredients. The variable speed control gives you precise command over texture, whether you're blending a smoothie or grinding coffee. Cleanup is simple, thanks to its easy-to-clean pitcher and self-cleaning function. Plus, the 5-year full warranty provides added peace of mind, making this blender a long-term investment. While the Clean Blend offers excellent performance, its design is slightly bulkier, and the lack of pre-programmed settings may not appeal to users looking for a more automated experience. Additionally, its relatively higher weight, 11 pounds, might make it less portable. However, for those who value raw power and versatility, the Clean Blend is a fantastic option that delivers professional-grade results. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Ninja Professional Blender 1000 watts, BL610. This budget-friendly option offers an impressive combination of performance and affordability. With its 1,000-watt motor and total crushing technology, this blender effortlessly crushes ice and blends frozen fruits to create creamy smoothies and icy drinks in seconds. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for whipping up large batches for the whole family. The Ninja BL610 is user-friendly, featuring a simple push-button interface and multiple speed options. It's also lightweight and compact, making it easy to move around or store. Cleanup is straightforward, as the BPA-free pitcher is dishwasher safe. The included recipe guide is a nice bonus, providing inspiration for a variety of drinks and dishes. While the Ninja BL610 excels in affordability and functionality, its motor is less powerful compared to higher-end models. And it doesn't include advanced features like pre-programmed settings. However, if you're looking for a reliable blender that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. This premium option boasts a powerful 1,400-watt motor and innovative Auto IQ technology, which takes the guesswork out of blending with its pre-programmed settings for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream. The total crushing blades deliver exceptional performance, effortlessly breaking down ice and tough ingredients to create perfectly smooth textures. The 72-ounce pitcher is spacious enough for large batches, making it ideal for families or entertaining. The design is modern and sleek, and the included recipe guide adds value by helping you explore new creations. The dishwasher-safe components ensure hassle-free cleanup, and the BPA-free materials guarantee safety for you and your family. While the Ninja BN701 comes at a slightly higher price point, its advanced features and superior performance justify the cost. The intuitive Auto IQ programs save time and effort, making this blender perfect for busy households. If you're looking for the best all-around commercial blender in this price range, the Ninja BN701 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.